AI. This is the one. This is how people are actually getting rich right now. I just need to pick my thing and go all in. Trading bots, faceless YouTube, AI automations, ghostwriting, a new tool every single day, another person swearing this is the one. And after an hour of it, you think, you know what? This is too much. I'll figure it out tomorrow. You've been scrolling for hours for the perfect way to make money with AI. You find a video. This is it. You save it. The next one says something different. So you save that too. Until you've got 20 perfect ideas saved, and you've started exactly none of them. Here's the part nobody says out loud. While you weigh it all up, the months pass, and the people who just picked one pull ahead. Not because they're smarter. And look, it's not your fault. You're standing in front of 100 doors with no idea which one to open. Anyone would freeze. So today, we open the doors. 5 proven ways to make money with AI. Not 50, 5, because real people are making real money with every one of these right now. And at the end, I'll score all 5 with one simple method, so you walk away knowing exactly which one to start. One more thing. If any of these click for you, stay to the end, because I'll show you the one place that hands you every exact step to launch it. All right? Door number 1. Every business on earth needs a website. The plumber, the dentist, the gym down the road. And most of them either have a terrible one or none at all. You don't write code anymore. Tools like Lovable or Bolt, you describe what you want, drop in a few images, and it builds the whole thing for you. One website is a one-off. Charge $500 to $2,500 to build it. The move that makes it recurring? A small monthly fee for hosting and updates. Land a handful, and the upkeep alone pays your rent. High ticket, obvious demand, and you can show a finished demo to close. The downside? It's one and done. Stop selling, you stop earning. If this is your door, we mapped every click in vibe-coded micro SaaS. Quick thing before we go on. This is what I do every week. I find the opportunities nobody's looking at, and I hand you the whole thing. If that's useful, subscribe, or come see us at ideasrepay.com. We live and breathe this. Okay, back to it. Those phone shot videos of someone using a product, those are ads, and they outperform the big budget studio stuff now. Brands need a constant stream because each one burns out fast. You don't film anything. AI creates the person, the voice, the setting. Write a script, upload the product, and a tool like Higgsfield spins out 20 variations before lunch, in any language. Charge per video $50 to $200. Where the real money, a retainer, $1,500 to $5,000 a month per brand. 5 retainers, and you see where this goes. Almost zero startup cost, the lowest skill barrier here, and demand that repeats forever. The catch? It's so easy to start that everyone's starting. Your sales skill is the edge. This one's the UGC Studio blueprint. Every podcaster, coach, and YouTuber is sitting on hours of long form with viral moments buried inside. And they never cut them, because chopping one episode into 20 clips is hours of tedious work. AI scans the long form, finds the best moments, cuts them, and burns the captions. A tool like Opus Clip does in a coffee break what used to take hours. Your job, quality check, and deliver. Sold as a monthly retainer, $500 to $3,000 a month per creator. They publish constantly, so they need you constantly. It's crowded and the ticket's small, so you win on volume. It's covered in shorts to high ticket and podcast amplification. Local businesses run on phone calls. Every call that rings out while they're busy is a customer worth hundreds, gone to the next name on the list. And they never even see the ones they miss. An AI voice agent answers on the first ring, 24/7. It sounds human, handles the conversation, and books straight into the calendar. A tool like Vapi, and almost no code now. Setup fee, $500 to $2,000, plus a monthly, $300 to $1,000. And here's the leverage. Once it's answering their phones, turning it off means missing calls again. Highest ticket, stickiest income, steepest learning curve, which is exactly why it's the least crowded. We made a whole build on this. It's the AI chatbot agency for local businesses. Every option so far ties your income to your effort. You stop, the money stops. This one breaks the chain. An ebook, a course, a template, a tool. You build it once, and it sells to the next person exactly like it sold to the last. You don't need to be the expert or have a team. AI researches the topic, structures it, and drafts the whole thing faster than any human. You point it at a real problem, and it builds the solution. Price it at $500. 20 sales is $10,000 a month. The 10th sale costs the same as the 200th. Nothing. No client to manage, no delivery to run. No marginal cost. No ceiling on your hours. The closest thing to leverage on this list. The downside, a winner isn't guaranteed on attempt 1. It's a slot machine with unlimited polls. The step-by-step is course architect. 5 proven options is still 5 options, which is the exact trap we started in. So let's score every one honestly with the rich method. Recurring. Does it pay you every month, or are you back to zero on the first? Independence. Does it run without you? Competition. Is the lane still open? And headroom. How high can it scale? 5 points each. Clipping scores lowest. Small ticket, crowded. Websites and UGC, solid but capped. Digital products, huge on independence and headroom. And the winner by a nose, voice agents. Recurring, sticky, and barely any competition. Notice what the top 2 share. Recurring revenue and independence. That's the whole game. Money that comes in without you standing there. Now, remember what I promised. Every one of these 5, we've already built the exact step-by-step to launch it. Not the idea, the execution. The clicks, the tools, the scripts, the whole thing. It all lives in one place. Ideas repay. You pick your door, you follow the walkthrough, and the business is basically built for you. This is what we do every single week. We find the opportunities that actually work and hand you the map. Look, I don't care which of these 5 you start. I care that you start one. Because the honest truth is, the idea was never the hard part. The 100 open doors were. Now you've got 5 that work, and a map through each one. So pick your door. You owe it to yourself.